In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications in Google Calendar. If you want to make sure you never miss an important meeting, deadline, or reminder, turning on notifications in Google Calendar is a great idea. Google Calendar can alert you about upcoming events right on your desktop, which makes it much easier to stay on top of your schedule throughout the day. To get started, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that icon to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Google Calendar account, where you can customize how your calendar behaves and how alerts are delivered. When the settings page opens, look over to the left-hand side. Under the General section, find and click Notification Settings. This is where you control how calendar alerts appear and whether you want to receive desktop notifications. Now, in the Notification Settings area, locate the Notifications drop-down menu. Click it and choose your preferred alert style. This setting determines how Google Calendar handles event alerts, so choose the option that best fits how you like to be notified while you work. Next, make sure the desktop notifications option is checked. This is the key setting that allows Google Calendar to send pop-up alerts to your computer when an event is coming up. If this box isn't enabled, you may not see the reminders, even if notifications are turned on elsewhere. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to allow notifications from Google Calendar. If that happens, be sure to click Allow. This step is very important because even if your Google Calendar settings are correct, your browser still needs permission to display notifications on your screen. Once you've done that, your Google Calendar notifications should be active. From now on, you should start seeing alerts for upcoming events based on your calendar settings. As a quick tip, if notifications still don't appear, double-check that your browser itself hasn't blocked notifications and that your computer's system notification settings are enabled. Those can sometimes override the calendar settings without you realizing it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications in Google Calendar, making it easier to stay organized and on time with everything on your schedule.